the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love,
y'all like the fit? This is what I'm wearing to the wedding. It's the afternoon of the wedding. It's probably like 11 something, 11:40 maybe. Y'all, part of my dress is ripped. You can't see it, but it's ripped right here. But it's like, you know, the second layer of the dress or the first layer. Like, it's ripped right there, but it is what it is. This is the only dress that I bought, so we're gonna have to do what it do. And I'm wearing these shoes. I was going to wear heels, but I was on the phone with Lisa, and she was like, oh, the bridesmaids are not wearing heels. I said, Vicky, if the bridesmaids aren't wearing heels, neither am I. So yeah, it's the event is from 2 to 8. Kamoy's dad is picking me up at 1, but I want to be ready early just in case like he needed to get me early. But yeah, I just want to show y'all the fits. Hey y'all, I don't think I showed y'all this, but I decided to put my hair up. But it's like 12:58. Kamoy's dad is supposed to pick me up at 1, and I think I'm just gonna wait in the lobby for him. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Like, I'm gonna start recording when I get to the wedding. Y'all see my girl walk down the aisle. I'm so excited. Like, my friend is really getting married. Like, oh my gosh, in Jamaica. But yeah, let's go.
but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, open up the doors to let me in. You're good with the heart inside, don't top my head. I'm letting the love inside from out my mouth. Tell me what you need to find. Tell me now. Tell me what you need to find. This is a place with no shame. This is a mind with no friend. This is the life with no doubt. This is the truth with no faults. This is a place with no shame. This is a mind with no.
You have found somebody who is. When I found you, found my most intimate.
Baby boy, I'm gonna distract you now. If you couldn't be reminded, baby girl, I'm gonna remind you now. Tell me what you need to find now. Tell me what you need to find now. Tell me what you need to find out. Tell me what you need to find out. It's been burning on my mind. Tell me what you need to find out. Tell me what you need to find out. Tell me what you need to
Shall live. If you so do, say I will. I will. Okay. I hear the megaphone answering for you. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. You were there. Yes. Come on. You can say I will. But somehow the ladies always have something extra to say, so you can say whatever you want to say. Yeah? Come on, will you take this man, Brandon, to be your wedded husband? To live together in holy state of matrimony? Are you going to love him? Are you going to comfort him? Are you going to honor? Are you going to keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, so long as you both shall live? If you so do, say I will. Okay.
You sugar on your skin, the sweetest melody, yeah.
This is the bride. Temperature, a video. Okay, y'all, we're improvising because I left my camera at home, but we are in Starbucks. Me and Lisa, we were in the room since 7 a.m., so we decided to take a walk. What time is it, 11?
It's 12:07.
So we decided to walk to Starbucks. I got my drink is so pretty. I got a chai tea latte with oat milk, brown sugar, and caramel drizzle.
And then I got the matcha berry latte with oat milk.
So now we're about to do taste test. Do you want a straw?
I was gonna just drink it.
Okay.
Let's see how it tastes. I didn't add anything, so I hope I like it.
But my thing is, their cups, this is a venti, y'all. Don't it look small?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, set, go. Okay.
Definitely taste the oat milk.
Girl says mine tastes like a, because I gave this to her one day. Like, she's like, let me try your Starbucks order. She said it tastes like a gingerbread house.
This is good. I didn't think I would like matcha.
I'm so scared.
Because it's like it's kind of like green tea.
Try this.
You want to try it? Nope. That gives me Christmas fall vibe, like fall.
That's how Brielle said gingerbread house.
Yeah, she was very on point with that.
For y'all,
When I said my name, we
Who's
both
that?
started laughing.
you said is that with an A? One thing about it, although I've been in Jamaica for a couple days now, I can understand patois, but you gotta
Talk
repeat yourself
slow.
5 times before I can understand. Cause the barista not the barista, the cashier man, he would talk to me and I turned to Lisa because she Caribbean.
What did he say?
Cause I wanted a sandwich. What do you say he don't got?
He said they don't have the bacon one that you wanted, but they had like the cheese one.
Bacon and cheese?
Yeah.
Oh, I could have got that if I understood. You know got napkins? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We have to go to brunch, but Kamoy said her mom gonna be late to pick us up, so we just vibing.
Yep.
It's the next day. I didn't want to be vlogging a lot because you know this is intimate. And yeah, now it's the next day. I vlogged my phone, but me and Alicia we went to Starbucks. Tasted really good. Alicia tried something new. I did not. And then we are supposed to be at Kamoy's brunch at 2. It's 1:53. And she told us to prepare to be late. But we said, okay, but what time? Like, should we be ready? No response. So, yeah, we gonna be late. Me and Alicia are dressed. Hold on, let's show the outfits. It's all white. Y'all, I don't wear white, so please excuse how short my dress is. Okay, this is Alicia's outfit. I think she should wear those shoes. She's gonna wear her wedding shoes. This is my outfit. Real short, mommy, don't say anything. This is my shower shoes, but yes. Our friend is married.
She's a missus.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, yes, ma'am. Yeah. We're gonna be next. Next is the Ghanaian and St. Vincent wedding. I'm Ghanaian, she's from St. Vincent. How you say it again?
St. Vincent.
No.
Vincentian.
Vincentian wedding in the Ghana.
Yep.
Yo, we grown
We're
now.
speaking it into existence.
Yeah, we grown. We having weddings and attending our friends' weddings.
You're graduated.
I have a full-time job. I'm looking at houses.
You got your degree and you know everything.
Oh, sure, I do. Oh, it looks so cute. Oh, let's go take pictures outside.
Okay.
But y'all, we look good. Don't play with us, okay? Alright. We'll see y'all later. Oh, I need my nails done. We try to look for a nail salon because we feel like locals. Like, after we walk to Starbucks, we could walk anywhere. But baby, we are not walking 27 minutes.
Not in this heat.
Under my umbrella, Ella, under my umbrella, under my umbrella, Ella, you can run into my arms.
It's the last full day in Jamaica. Today's day 3, beach day. Yes, this fit. Okay, shirt.
Shirt is from
Dang, the lights
probably
behind you.
Forever. I don't know. Probably Forever 21. Forever 21.
And then shoes.
Rainbow.
Okay, yes, ma'am. We have our bathing suits under. Shirts from Rainbow. Shorts are from Forever 21. Shoes are from Forever 21. Look, this ponytail eating. Alicia did it.
Yeah, that's real.
24 inches per. Okay, y'all, remember how good me and Alicia were looking?
Look at us now.
Yeah, what
Busted.
happened to the edges?
Busted.
Yeah, I got a mosquito bite. That's huge. Yeah. Today was fun though. I think everyone had the most fun today.
Yeah.
Ooh, why is it
Out
blurry?
of the 4 days.
Is it 4 days? Oh, Boogie. Is it blurry or is it just my eyesight?
It's just you.
If it's blurry, yeah, I try to fix it. But today was really, really, really fun. Like, I didn't go swimming.
But she went in the water.
I did. So like, giving up Michael Phelps, you know? But Alicia is my next door neighbor, so we're gonna go have a little tour of her room. Girl, you're gonna have to come back. You got stuff in the bathroom. And after we do that, we're gonna eat, y'all. Cause I'm hungry.
Oh, yeah. I'm not playing loud music today.
Oh, you still on your hair? Oh no.
Like, what are you hearing?
You don't hear something?
Oh.
You know, our favorite place to be. Okay, her room is literally the opposite of that. If your bed was like this way, and the door, you have that door, we can unlock it and go to each other's room. But yeah, Alicia's room looks just like mine. Ooh, focus, Bookie. And the bathroom's over there. It's just flipped.
It's literally the opposite, but now it looks wrong to me because I was
It's the last day of Jamaica and the last outfit of the day in Jamaica, bro. This is the airport fit. Ow. But go ahead.
Shirt is from Shein. Jeans are from Forever. Oh no, these are from Rainbow.
Shirt is from Shein. Pants are from Charlotte Russe. Shoes are from StockX. Oh, we're so sad. About to go to the airport. And I'm gonna throw my Howard resume, because you know, in case somebody won't pay for something, you know, give me a full.
They don't even know that she was
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. We're in the plane. I need to go to the gym. I have no upper body strength. The way I was struggling. Oh my god.
I'm like, what do you need to go to the gym for?
But yeah, the flight is basically delayed. They didn't say it's delayed.
But it is.
We were supposed to leave
We were supposed to take off, what?
at 12:15.
5 minutes ago?
I mean 12:12. And it's 12:18. But we're finally on the plane. And can you believe they set us next to each other?
Is not your wife.
Yo, we got to this airport at 3. Let me check the time. I can tell you the exact time.
It's so annoying.
Hold on.
It is 7:37.
And we got here, let's see, landed. That's not how you spell landed.
3:09.
And then 7:37, we're not leaving until 8:55.
And that's not even confirmed because they keep changing it.
At first the flight was at 9, then they moved it to 9:15, then they moved it to 7:47, then they moved it to 8:30, then they moved it to 7:47. So right now it's currently at 8:55, but you know what we want to do? We want to go home.
Don't want to be here.
No. And then we want a food, right? At least they want a pizza. Why did it take 40 minutes for them to cook a pizza? 40 minutes, and it wasn't the best pizza she had in her life.
It wasn't.
Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then.